Virality, virality, virality. Everyone wants to go viral, but you don't want to go viral at all. Not at least until you have a solid base set up first. Because going viral isn't the magic ticket to lasting fame that you think it is. Without the right structure, your viral moment will be nothing more than 15 seconds of fame. That's it. But that will only get you so far. What's up, y'all? Hardcoast here with the Music Making Sense podcast, where it's all about music marketing, branding, and how to have success, real success as an independent artist. And a lot of independent artists believe that one viral clip or one hit song is all it takes for real success. And you'll see that all over the internet with a lot of people trying to give you advice on how to make it in the music industry. You just need that one hit song. No. Real success, especially in the music industry, demands having a solid business and marketing plan at all times. Because chasing virality is just like playing the lottery. You're hoping for that one lucky day, but it's never coming, ever. This is not how a real and sustainable music career is built. This is what I call the lottery mindset, and it's a complete trap. Think about any musician with a long-term career, someone who's still relevant after 5, 10, or 20 or more years of becoming known worldwide. They didn't just go viral and call it a day. Most who went viral without a solid structure became those one-hit wonders we've all heard about. We've all seen those sad stories in entertainment, especially where instant fame without a solid foundation leads to a hard fall. But that's not what you're trying to do. You want to build a successful music career and ditch that crummy 9-to-5 or multiple part-time dead-end jobs that you're working right now. You want to be able to make music and spend the rest of your time with your friends, your family, and all your hobbies and interests that you have. That's why building a solid structure is a non-negotiable. So let's dive into the key steps that you need to have in place before you even think about going viral. Step 1, you gotta have your business in order. Your music needs a proper business setup. This means not only having a full business entity like an LLC, but also a dedicated business bank account and all the necessary legal documents and tax documents for your state and country. Now, if you need help with that portion and you're in the United States, head to the Small Business Administration website for your state. Just type in whatever state and then Small Business Administration and you'll get to their site. They have free resources that are available to help you get all of that set up. Trust me, I've used them before. But aside from setting all that financial and legal portion set up, you have to also make sure that all your music is properly registered. Now, this includes agencies like the MLC, Harry Fox, Sound Exchange, and ASCAP or BMI, not both. I'll say it again, ASCAP or BMI, not both. All right, we clear? Good. Getting these legal and financial ducks in a row is crucial. Don't miss these steps. All right. Now, step 2 to a solid business structure before you go viral. Now, this might seem obvious, but you need to have a back catalog and a steady supply of new music. If you only have a couple of songs out and you're trying to go viral and one happens to go viral, fans will quickly get tired of the limited amount of songs that you have. But if you have dozens of songs in your back catalog, then they have plenty of songs to choose from for constant entertainment and they won't get bored with you. But on top of having a solid back catalog, you need a consistent release schedule. You have to release at least one new song every month and drop 1 or 2 bigger projects like an EP or a full album each year. This will provide the constant content and keep your audience engaged that you need to build that real sustainable career in the music industry. All right. The third step to building a solid base for that viral moment that you all want is having a consistent flow of entertaining and engaging video content in both long and short form. This means posting 4 long form videos per month on YouTube. Each of those videos should then be chopped into at least 5 short form clips for all the vertical short form video platforms. Now, I've covered all this in complete detail in previous videos, which I'll just link one of them down below here for you that gives you a great breakdown of all these different types of videos. So definitely check that one out if you haven't seen it before. All right. But in general, the 4 monthly videos need to be a mix of music videos, music related videos, and lifestyle videos. And when you create your short form clips, you need to make sure that your titles and descriptions are interest based and entertaining, not salesy. Don't say any of the out now or buy now or stream now nonsense. Okay. You're in the entertainment business. So entertain. You're not a car salesman. Okay? Entertain. And if you need help with getting these in line, I have 4 AI scripts that help you design your title and descriptions in an entertaining and engaging way. And you can get those absolutely free on my website. And of course, the link is down in the description below. All right. Now, all 3 of these steps are absolutely essential before you even consider chasing a viral moment or trying to have a hit song. Without this foundation, you have nothing to launch from. But once you have all these steps in place and you have a solid foundation built, if you do have a viral moment, which you will eventually, hopefully, right? You will be set up for the real long-lasting success as an independent artist that you are looking for. And to top it all off, you need to have all this set up and be working at least 90 days in advance with everything you do, music and video content. And you know what? If all this stuff that I've said so far in this video seems completely overwhelming, don't worry, I got you. I'm actually hosting a free live stream called 90 Days of Music Marketing, which is a step-by-step plan for indie artists specifically designed for independent artists just like you who need help with setting all this up. In this exclusive session, I'll be diving deep into understanding the music marketing landscape, what's actually working in today's industry. I'll also touch on defining your unique artist brand and how to stand out and connect with your ideal fans. And most importantly, I'll be diving deep into building a 90-day marketing blueprint, which is a step-by-step plan for consistent releases and engagement. I'll also cover how to leverage digital tools for your growth and include practical strategies for social media, email, and even more. And to top it all off, I'll be diving into monetization strategies that go beyond just streaming revenue. I'm talking about how to build multiple income streams as an independent musician and build that real career in music. This isn't just theory either. This is a practical, actionable workshop to help you lay out the groundwork for a sustainable music career. And if you're a serious artist and you're serious about taking control of your music marketing and setting up your 90-day work strategy for real success, then you absolutely need to be at this live stream. And to sign up and get all the details for this absolutely free live stream, make sure you click the link down below or go directly to the Music Making Sense podcast website, where you will find all the information for this new live stream series that I'm launching. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to learn how to build a solid base to launch into your future. You know what? If you got all the way to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to actually pay attention to what I'm saying and to take into consideration all the steps that you need before you're going viral. And I look forward to seeing you at the live stream. See you then. Because my revolutionary faculties got me switching up the game and changing minds. Get them out the system, I'll be saving lives. Change the mind to heart.